Hi guys, welcome back to the training. Don't forget it's your girl Tino Annie. Yesterday I taught you how to make a single crochet, and in today's class I will be teaching you how to make a double crochet. Go ahead and make your chain. Right there, I'm done making my chain, so it's time to start the project. And don't forget we are making a double crochet. And these are the chains we will be working with. Here is the first one, this is the second one, here is the third one. So I will just try and pull it out a little bit. This is not really necessary, it's only just for the beginners. So without wasting so much time, let's begin. And for single crochet and double crochet is just a little difference. And here is the difference. Instead of inserting your hook like this, the first thing you have to do, you will not insert your hook straight. You will have to yarn over first. Can you see it? Yarn over before you insert your hook. Can you see what I'm doing? You will start it into the second stitch. Normally you will skip the first stitch. Then this first stitch you will skip it. Then you start from your second stitch, meaning your second chain, then yarn over, then insert your hook into the second chain, insert it, then you yarn over and pull out a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our crochet. We have 3 loops. Right now you yarn over like this. You yarn over. Can you see these 3 loops? Then you yarn over and you pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and you just put through the 2 loops only. You put through 2 loops. Can you see what I'm doing? Just yarn over like this and you put through the 2 loops here. Can you see it? And yeah, so now we have another 2 loops on our crochet. Then you yarn over again and you put through both loops at once. Can you see it? That's double crochet. That's double crochet. Then let's move to the next chain. You yarn over first. This is the next chain here. Right, next chain right here. Can you see it? You yarn over first. Then you insert it inside the chain. Insert it now. Then you yarn over and pull out a loop. So we have 3 loops on our crochet. Then you yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yeah. And now we are having 2 loops on our crochet. Then you yarn over again and you put through the both loops at once. Can you see what we have? Yes. So guys, let's move to the next chain. Before you insert your hook, yarn over first. This is the chain I will be inserting. Yarn over first. Yarn over like this. Then insert it inside the next chain. Insert it like this. Then yarn over again. Now we have 3 loops on our crochet. This is the 3 loops on our crochet. Then you yarn over and put through 2 loops. Then we have 2 remaining. Then you yarn over again and put through the 2 loops. Then let's move to the next chain. Can you see that it's very simple? It's simple. Yarn over first. Yarn over. Yarn over. Put through. Insert inside your chain. Then pull out a loop. Now we have 3 loops. Can you see it? Then you yarn over again and put through 2 loops. Yes. Now we have 2 loops again. Then you yarn over and put through the 2 loops again. Then let's move to the next chain. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain. Then yarn over, pull out a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet pin. So yarn over, put through the 2 loops. Then remaining 2 now. Yarn over and put through both loops. Yeah, that's what we have. So to the next chain. yarn over first, then insert your hook into the next chain. Yeah, then you yarn over and pull out a loop. We have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull out 2 loops, and yarn over, pull out 2 loops again. That's double crochet. And can you see what weird that is? This double crochet is double of single crochet, meaning it's longer than a single crochet. It's like we are doing a single crochet at once. That's exactly what double crochet